Hello, friend. Welcome back. Hope you are doing well. In our previous section, we have to complete it about our instructor section and also manage the instructor section dynamic instructor name and about the instructor bio, right? Okay, fine. Today we have to discuss about the whole things about the course image preview and totally this is the course model actually. Here is the some pop-up, but we fix it. Don't worry. Go to our devexplorer.xyz. This is our project domain. Yeah, you already knows that. And here look at this scenario about the actually the preview image. Okay, and when you and this is the pop-up will be coming, and if you continue, this video will be start. So don't worry. In our copyright issue, we don't to run for this. You can also check it, whatever it's work or not. Okay, but before this. If you record the full source code of this project, this is our channel actually, and you just go to the video description and you can go to our source code. Also, you find and full source code. We just contact for me, and I also share the full source code. So, but now this is the first. Today we will be focused about this completed about this section. We actually work. So lots of work today. So go to the VS Code and should take. Now here this is our VS Code, and first just remove for others file. Just keep index.blade.php is a profile, not record profile, and index.blade.php, and go to the index.blade.php. And what we should looking here, here this is the right sidebar. Okay, actually this is the right sidebar. Go to the right sidebar, and right sidebar will be okay, but before this, right sidebar should be some area. Actually, deep class card and deep class card item, deep class card item, and yes, lot of section actually, including the right sidebar. So one to one, we just manage for this. Before this is the course preview. Okay, so better. Uh, just mention the comment, not record the comment actually. Better some into the course detail we take some another file, and this file name should be right sidebar, not sidebar, right side actually, course preview dot later php. Right side course preview dot later php. So better just move it, and here this is the area, so better just put in here. Okay, and here just put include. Okay, here this is our root directory will be front end. Okay, so front end, after that pages dot course details, and it will be right side course preview. That's fine. So I hope it's well, and go to our here. This is the image actually we just put into here. So it's simple. Just remove, put your asset, and it will be course underscore image, and also this is a similar. Perfect. Okay, and here you just go to you just actually get to the course image, but pop-up video will go to our index, and here look at this. You see this front end pages, course detail and course preview model, right? So just go to the course preview model, and actually this is the area. Actually this is the video control area we just covered. Okay, I step by step I just manage it. Now, okay, go to the top, and this is the course preview, and this is the title of the course. Okay, so just come to the here, and here we just put the course and course name. Just complete one things, and another model body. Actually, model body here is the video control. In this tutorial we just covered actually put the YouTube URL or any kinds of URL, so not required for hard control of video. We just remove it, so better. We just first pass the input, actually better. Wait, we just some input initially, input type hidden. You just first of all see this, and I hope that after completing this part you will be understand. Don't worry, just focus on this how actually am I work. This is the class, a simple class. It's a bootstrap class, so this is place, and this name is video URL. My intention actually to pass the data, and here I just upload the script. Actually here will be the URL, and is the placeholder. So not a placeholder required, it's some not required placeholder. This was the value. Better just pass the required. Actually it's a work in later, but it's required actually. Okay friend, and we also the actually work to the iframe, and this the oh my god, this is the iframe, and this iframe first actually video will be showing here, and this is the class of video preview. Okay, and some couple of style. So my bad. and the yellow full screen. Okay. Now here, go to push. You already know. So here is actually JavaScript loaded, jQuery loaded. So in push, and here actually just script will be loaded. So here we just put in bulk of, and here don't worry, you will give the all of the source code through the GitHub. I also show this actually where to this. This is the look at that. This is the video URL. Find the video. Actually, with that video URL class. Okay, here is the video URL class, and actually this URL in pass in here. You can get fine. And this is the video preview, and YouTube video extract to the function. Actually, YouTube video where the processing of the YouTube video, and this is the video preview update script, and this is the actually changes for video preview changes. Okay, now check it's work or not. Okay, just keep reload, and here you can got the email actually, and you just open. Yeah, the video pop-up will be open, but video will be not opened. Okay, I just make some mistake. I just check it where the issue actually arise. Actually, I got the issue. This issue actually come. This is our actually for front end master. Okay, look at this front end and this front end master in here, and this master will be include a front end section and a script, and this is the front end script. And here you already to show that we are not loaded actually script, because of why this is script, because of that we managed to the push script. Okay, uh, not course preview, and here we just look at it. This is the push scripts. So push script means the script will be loaded. Okay, so that's why we just manage it, and I hope it will be work. Now check for this browser, and be remember for that this is scripts, and this should be script will be the same. Where is the section? And this section is this, and look at it, this is scripts, and what it is, and this is scripts will be same, should be similar, right? Okay, the final time I just give a review for this, sorry, reload this browser, and this is the area, just skip, and look at this script will be loaded. Okay, this is the Laravel, and this Laravel will be this similar. Okay, this video will be running perfectly, and also manage for YouTube all of this picture, and you can manage. This is the allophone is for us can do here. We remember for that we just allow for this full screen, so, and it's work. So, and also you will be updated the price also. It will be the better. Now go to VS Code. Okay, this is our right course preview, and here this is the actually price section. So Just okay. This is the selling price. Okay, and I got a mistake actually. First will be the discount price. This is the discount price, and after that it will be the selling price. Okay, and here this is the how many percentage will be off. So better to shape for this. We just this is a simple calculation. Previously we have done round. This is the round shape, not floating data will become, and this is the simple things, just like as a calculation. Okay, you can see this, or you can face any issue. Just contact with me. Now this time, just once again keep reload and look at this. This is the 30%, $30. This is, and our current discount price is $15. And also look at this. This is a 15% off. Okay, and okay, fine. This is covered for this, and this is the last time I just managed here. This is the related course and course category. Our next video, actually, we just completed this section of area. Just cover for this step by step. Actually, we will develop a complete real world project. Okay. So keep with us, and if you like this video, plus humble request to subscribe of my channel. Please give some contribution to go ahead, and after very quickly I just put into another project you can get in this channel. So I hope that this project will be very knowledge would be the knowledgeable, and much more resources I will try to make it to deliver for you, and it will be obviously completely free. Okay, thank you so much. Let's see for the next